I have a very interesting puzzle for you today. A man's age is 35 if you don't count the Saturdays and Sundays of his life. What is his real age? Pause this video, give it a try, and then come back. Alright. Hopefully you've paused the video and given this question a try. Most people, by most I mean maybe 98 out of 100 people whom I ask this question to, they start getting into this idea, oh, let's say his age is X. So in each of the X years, there are 104 Saturdays and Sundays. So when we are saying that his age after taking out the Saturdays and Sundays is 35 years, so we've taken out 104 into X days from his life. And if we count them back to 35, if we add them back to 35, we'll get our actual answer, so on and so forth. It's a very long method to find the answer, and I feel that you will be able to find the answer. You'll obviously go into the drama of, oh, there'll be so many leap years, this, that. But even if you don't, you'll come to a very approx answer using this method. But it is obviously a very tedious method, very long method. What if I tell you that you can solve it in just 10 seconds? In 5 seconds. I've asked this question and I think only 5 or 6 people have answered it correctly, and these were the people who answered it in like 5 seconds or 10 seconds, including my grandfather and father. I was really surprised that this could be solved in 5 seconds. Now that you know that it can be solved in such a short time, I'll request you to again pause and give it a try and see if you can find a quick method. Okay, hopefully you paused the video and tried it. Now, here's the solution. We are saying that we are not counting the Saturdays and Sundays of his entire life. That means every 7 days he's lived, we are only counting 5 days. So 7 days, so he's lived a lot of 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days. But from each 7 days, we are only counting 5 days. This means that let's say his age is X years. Then this means that let's say his actual age is X years. So this means that 5 upon 7 multiplied by X is equal to 35 years. Why? Because 5/7 of his life is 35. This will give us X is equal to 35 into 7 upon 5 equal to 49 years. Which is the answer that we were looking for. Isn't it a simple question that you could just solve in like 5 seconds?